Welcome to my channel. How you all doing today? If this is your first time in here, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and I will be so grateful for that. So today I want to make easy and quick breakfast. Okay,
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, please.
ingredients I'll be needing for this: potato. This is Irish potato, 4 large eggs, finely chopped onion, all-purpose flour. I'm actually using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, black pepper, green beans, and green bell pepper. So let's get started. First, I'll be grating the potato. Desired consistency that I want. Yeah, this is the consistency that I want. So now I will go ahead to fry it. Okay, so in a large frying pan, pour in a little oil, allow it to heat a bit before you start dropping a spoonful of the potato butter into the frying pan. Scoop.
I get too drunk and too scared.
Make sure you flatten it.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared.
Yeah, allow it to cook for about 4 minutes on both sides. It is brown, and flip it to other side. You continue until all the batter are fried, okay? Rice is done. See, this is how it's going to be. So I'm going to fry the remaining one.
About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
Hey guys,
Nobody loves me.
breakfast is ready. See how easy and quick it took to make this yummy breakfast. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this breakfast. I really appreciate you. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Love you.
If only you knew I would die for you.